Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick video, you are going to see how to tag someone on Facebook Reel after posting. So let's get right into it. Head over to your Facebook application. Once you're there, head over to your home page and then just go to the three lines icon on the upper right corner and then head over to your profile. And in here you can see I have already posted a reel and I just want to tag someone on Facebook in it. So all I need to do is just to tap on the three dots icon on the upper right corner of that reel just beside my name. And here goes the options. In this layout there is an option of edit reel. Just head over to it and then click on the caption option, and there comes two options. One is hashtag and the other one is mention. So as you want to tag someone, so all you need to do is write at and then write whatever the name we want to add, like aim. There can be anyone, right? So this is how you can tag someone on your reel after posting. Yeah, hope this video will help you out and we will see you in the next one.